Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, explain ALLSTATE mobile app to say if worth using. The ALLSTATE mobile app is a free tool designed to help public holders manage their insurance needs conveniently, available on both iOS and Android platform. The app offers features such as accessing digital card, paying bills, filing and track claims, and requesting roadside assistance. It also integrates with ALLSTATE's DriveWise program, which monitors driving habit to potentially offer a discount. Additionally, features include finding nearby gas price through the gas body and locating trusted repair shop via the Good and Repair Network. The ALLSTATE mobile app provides a comprehensive suite of features for managing your insurance on the go. Its user-friendly interface and integration with a program like DriveWise make it a valuable tool for policyholders. However, some users have reported issues with the DriveWise feature, such as the inaccurate driving data and a potential privacy concern. Overall, if you're an ALLSTATE customer seeking a convenient and additional service, the app is worth considering, but it's important to be aware of its limitation, and that's it.